Because if you see yesterday's market, euro is paired up with USD as major, so is gold paired up with USD as major, correct? So
Mhm.
whatever the moment that happens on euro, it implies on US gold as well because both of them work on a similar structure during news.
Mhm.
Yeah. If you want me to check euro USD for today, euro USD. Possibility of euro USD pulling back to its trend
Mhm.
is from this level. As we see, one, two, three, two, three, and what is this?
Fiji. So now, change of character. Yeah.
One, two, three, one, two, three. So it's a change of character. So
Mhm.
this level acts as a key, which is already mitigated. Correct?
Mhm.
So during the news, there is a possibility that the price can move up to this level
Then by chance.
and then continue its trend. Oh, it's still, no, it's mitigated. So continue its trend. So we are looking at this movement.
So what's your suggestion? News time, we don't do the
Okay,
trading,
the
right?
news is released for US. Came as a negative for US dollar. The Prillium consumer sentiment was expected at 58.2, but it came as 55.4. So the moment may shift to buy. We don't have a moment yet. There's no moment yet. I think scalpers are really doing well. I think the scalpers are really doing well. Any questions from the structures? Any questions from the structures or anything that you guys wanted me to work around on?
So what's your suggestion actually for trading in the news time? Scalping, any trading?
For
Is
beginners, I say avoid.
Mhm.
For beginners, I say avoid.
Mhm.
Or if you want to trade on new session, go for a longer time frame.
Mhm.
Go for a longer time frame and hold your support and resistance.
Mhm.
and be safe and be
Mm,
safe because the market always captures the liquidity of a support or resistance and it will continue its trend.
mm,
Okay. So if you want to trade on news time, go for a higher time frame and check your resistance and support levels and wait for the market to go there and from there place your orders. So it is following the same trend line. Took a support, broke, took a support, tried, did not work. It is not able
mhm.
to break. So if it breaks, that's when it should fall. But the same level where the trend line is also supporting us for the goal to take a support is 35. So we have been expecting the price to fall till 35 and go up. But inflation, we have neutral. There is no much inflation in US. So the
Mhm.
expectations are neutral. So the movement is not much. Consumer sentiment is negative, so the movement of gold will be on high side. A maximum price impact can be till 60, but not more than that. A maximum price impact can be till 60. Now you can ask me like why 60? Because I have liquidity
Mhm.
pending above this level.
Same. Yeah.
I have liquidity pending above this level. So just to pull it, it may reach till 60 and from 60 it will fall back to this level again, the resistance level. It will play around the same level until it is broke on either side, either this side or
Excuse
this.
me, sir.
Sorry?
Excuse me, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in USD JPY, the in 15 minutes time frame, the market is capturing the FVG liquidity, and there is no reaction on the news. What are your comments on it?
Which currency you said?
USD JPY, USD Japanese yen.
And in which
Yep,
time frame?
15.
Okay.
Look, there's a fair value gap, and market
Yeah.
is not reacting on the news. Yep.
It doesn't mean okay. When I have a fair value gap between this, it doesn't mean the price should only and only tap here and go. The price can tap till here and can go also.
Yeah, yeah, I understand, but I want to ask that there is no impact of the news on this. Like, what happened?
Okay, 1 second. News impact you
Plus,
get to see on there is an impact. What is the time now? 7. 7, 6,
yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there is an impact.
A little impact.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. Inflation
Okay.
acts inflation is much important than consumer sentiment. And if you see,
Mhm.
inflation expectations are neutral, which means there is no
Okay.
much impact on US.
Yes, sir.
But consumer
Okay. Okay.
sentiment, yes, there is a big gap, and because of that gap, only this moment happened.
Okay. I understand. I understand. Okay.
Okay?
So,
So,
sir,
okay.
in
Okay.
US,
Okay.
USD JPY, after ending the FEG candle, the order block, then we is possible for a buy, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so
Okay. So,
look for
sir,
your
can
actual.
I take the trade in the FPG? What's your recommendation?
Okay, hold on. This
Okay.
is the level, correct?
Yep.
I
Yeah.
will take this as my level
Uh,
Mhm.
because
wow.
I have a supporting factor in before.
The doji also there.
I have a supporting factor here. Okay, I have a supporting factor here with good move, and there's a doji here,
Mm.
and there was an indecision
Okay.
candle here.
Yep.
So ended to the order block, so we need to wait for the confirmation,
Yes,
engulfing
let
or
it
pin bar.
let it come here. If you want to do scalping on this zone, If you want to do
Yeah,
scalping,
it's
you
5
use
minutes,
phone.
5 minutes or 3 minutes only.
And sir, what about the intraday, like the 15
Ah,
minutes?
see, this is the level that we marked, right? And I did not see, or I did not check the smaller time frame.
Yes.
On a smaller time frame, you see what is there here?
The consolidation.
You have a good order block, you have a good FVG. So
Mm.
yeah, if you want to take an order from 14.46 to 14.38 and hold your SL at 14.28. Okay, and your first TP 14.7, your second TP 14.8, 147.8, and yeah, that's what I can suggest.
Okay, sir. And what about the intraday trade?
Okay, if you ask me about intraday, hold on.
15 minutes.
It's still consolidating here.
Yes.
It is on an indecision move, because if you see one time the push for downside is huge, and the other side there's a good body of bullish going on, and then same pushing down. So it is an indecision state consolidating.
And sir, what's your recommendation that should I take the FVG or should I take the order block?
FVG and order block, both of them are supporting factors for each other. Okay,
Okay.
it's
Okay.
just order block maybe a stronger. For example,
Okay.
you have you know this rope game, right? You have five people here, you have five people
Yes.
here. Okay,
Tug of war. Yes.
right. So same way, let's see. I have one person here, I have one person here. What is the probability? Nothing.
50-50. No,
Nothing.
oh, yes, nothing. Yes, nothing.
Order block, order block.
Oh, yeah.
FVG
Plus order
plus
block.
order block.
Order block
S
rules.
structure, support
Yes.
or resistance.
Yes.
FVG. Which is stronger
Yes.
now?
The left side one.
So the same way, plus market structure or
Yes.
market support or resistance.
Yes.
So the more strength you get, the more good
Yes.
confirmation you have.
So,
Similar
sir, what's your
patterns
recommendation? Like, at what price range should I enter the trade?
for intraday or for swing.
Intraday, 15 minutes.
Intraday, you should go with 1 hour.
Why not 15 minutes, sir?
15 minutes is not for intraday, sir.
And it's for scalper?
Scalpers, 1 minute and 5 minutes.
Then, sir, in what category does the 15-minute raises are?
Okay. 1 hour, you did your analysis, right?
Yes.
Get your confirmations on 15 minutes.
Okay.
In 1 hour,
Yes.
where is my order block and FVG?
Here.
Okay.
Yes.
But this is my level, correct?
Yes.
Go to 15 minutes. Where is your order block and FVG?
Down. Yeah.
Now you're still at the order block zone itself.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and do a back test.
Okay.
Is this the level where market is playing for a longer time?
Yes. The more consolidation are here.
So, but if I see on a bigger time frame, it is giving me a level, and my level for entry is this one. I have less consolidation here.
Yes.
But whereas when I went to 15 minutes, it says this is my level of entry. And if I
Oh,
look at the market,
okay.
this is my consolidation place. So 15 minutes
Yes.
is only meant for your confirmations, not for entries.
Oh, I see. Actually, sir, after like, in Abu Dhabi, UAE, it's 7 p.m. I think so. The market New York session ends, and after the every session ends, the market start consolidating, and there is no more volatility, and so that our target will not hit. And my reason to tell all this explanation is that I do not wanna pay the swap charge at like rollover charges. So will the in 1 hour candle the market will reach the my SL or TP before the swap charge, or will it consolidate?
Asian session and London sessions are poor in volatility. If you open an order in the morning, there is a 99% chance of your market moving to your levels of TP or SL. There is a 100% chance, 99% chance.
Okay,
But
okay,
if you place your orders at a particular time during New York session, then there is only 50% of chance of the market moving to your SL or TP, because American market runs on American US move or that particular country's GDP.
okay, okay.
Okay,
So yes, yes.
go ahead.
Yeah. So I should take trade in 1 hour chart, and I want to ask that from you that you have more experience, obviously, that will it reach the TP or SL like approximately 11 p.m., 12 p.m.?
I can't assure
Because after this, yes,
I can't assure you that. But there is a chance. There is a high chance of your TP or SL being hit before the close of day. If you're only doing your analysis in 1 hour. If you're only doing your analysis in 1 hour. Okay. If you want me to show you that, okay, go to your 1 day. Yesterday, the market candle was moving in this range. This as a high, this as a low, this
yes,
as a close, and this as an open. Okay.
yes.
The next day morning, you thought like, the market may go to sell.
Okay.
Immediately when soon after the market move opened, you kept a sell order. So
Yes,
your SL is here and your TP is just half of the wig.
yes.
The today morning, so there is a high chance of your SL or TP for sure, because the if you see any candle in this whole structure, each day, whenever there finishes a day, the next day the candle at least does a retracement of 30 to 80% and then moves.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
This is on Forex. This is not on commodities. This is on Forex.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Okay, okay.
This is on Forex, not on
Okay, okay.
commodities.
So, sir, that means that if I take a trade like and 15 minutes after 15 minutes or 10 minutes, there are 50% chance that market will not consolidate, right?
Even if it consolidates, okay.
Yes.
If you ask me, this is consolidation. Okay.
Okay.
Looking at the high or the order blocks, or whatever it is, you put your buy sell. You place your sell limit.
Okay.
It picked up after a couple of hours. So your TP would
Okay.
not be here. Your TP would be
Okay.
about, because you're doing on a intraday and you wanted to close it faster, your TP will
Yes.
be 1:1 ratio or 1:2 ratio.
Oh, I see. My usually risk reward ratio is
Your voice
1:2.
is break,
So
your voice is
today I
breaking.
should do 1:1.
Your voice
My
is breaking.
usually risk reward ratio is 1:2.
Okay.
My internet, oh my God. Yeah, my usually risk reward ratio is 1:2.
Okay.
So in today's scenario, should I do 1:2 or 1:1?
1:2 is 100% better.
Okay, okay,
Okay. If
okay,
you
okay.
if you
Yes,
don't want
yes.
to jump, if you don't want to jump from 1:1 immediately to 1:2 2, then practice 1:25,
Okay.
1:50,
Okay.
sorry, 1:0, yeah, 1:1.50, 1:1.25, 1:1.75, and then come to a place of 1:2. By this, you will understand where would be your risk factor and where would be your
Reward factor.
reward. And by the time you
Okay. Okay.
practice and get to this level, you will not do intra, you will do positional trading.
Okay. Okay. Positional trading. Okay.
You will do positional trading once you practice this.
Okay. So 1:2 is better option in today's scenario. And yes. Okay.
If you really want me to show you that, hold on.
Sir, look, the FVG has been grabbed.
It will.
So there is a chance for fill, right?
Where?
Now,
Where?
the US, the USD JPY for reaching that order block.
Yeah, there is. There is, but don't get into a running bus. Okay. So
Mm.
what was your before? Okay, 1:2 ratio, correct?
Yes.
We have placed this order, first order, okay? We wanted to
Okay.
enter at 33 and our stop loss is 25. So 35 entry, 25 stop loss. How many dollars? $10.
Okay.
And our first TP is $50. How many dollars? Movement? 35 to 50. $15.
Yes.
$10 is my stop loss, $15 is my reward. Same trade,
Okay.
35 is my entry, 25 is my stop loss, 60 is my take profit. So
Okay. Okay.
$10 risk
And
and
sir, okay. Okay.
$10 risk, and I have a reward of $25. 1:2.
Okay. Okay. And sir, I want to ask another question that the mentors in the Stewarts Academy usually do some trades like of 1:3 ratio or sometimes 1:4 ratio, and it's like a successful trade. How do they guess that today the market volatility is so much high that they should do 1:3 or 4?
Market price action and candles will tell you, like, what is their movement.
Can you give me an example?
Please.
Why did I take a 1:2 ratio or 1:2.5 ratio movement in today's trade?
Because
Because
there is less volatility.
there is good volatility. Who said there's less volatility? Good number of buyers are coming in, good numbers of sellers are coming in. But if you look at the market, buyers are dominating with the market with the candle pattern.
Yes.
Okay, one,
Okay. Okay.
two. When this RSI indicator is broken and the moment happens, it will touch at least 70 level or at least twice of the moment which happened downside. Okay, if you want to check it, check the before one. It came down till a point, but when it went up, it was 3 times higher. When it broke, it went up till this moment. But when it came down 3 times down the line. If you want to check that live, this candle, no, this candle, which showed that the sellers are actively participating into the market. Buyers tried doing it just as a pushback, and later then, if I take my entry at this level and the market fell till this candle, so from 36.51 to 36.23. And where would be my SL? My SL would be above the hunt. Even for an entry of 51, I take an SL of 61. From 51, the price came down to 21. How many dollars move? $30 move on $10 SL. I hope I answered your question well.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Any more questions? Any more clarities do we need?
Yeah. Hi, Vignesh.
Hi, Sajesh. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Good, good. Okay. This is a totally different style of trading, uh, compared to other mentors.
It's
So
not. It's not a
I'm just
different
trying to
style.
understand.
It's not a different style. Basically, this is a live market analysis. This is like your practice sessions. See, I'm
Mhm.
only doing the structures. I am also following the same structures: bullish structure, bearish structure, sideways, which is also called as consolidation. I'm not
But
teaching you anything.
nobody briefed so much in depth like this. That's why I was like quite surprised. I don't know if I missed any other sessions, but briefing seems better.
See,
Okay. I'm coming to my question.
yes,
Um, Vignesh, hello.
please, please tell me.
You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
hear.
I wanted to understand. Yeah, I wanted to understand on liquidity sweeps. See, if you're trading the Asian less session liquidities, like, what are your comments or advice on that? Like, how to understand if it's a liquidity sweep or like if it's a liquidity run?
Okay, there is no proper explanation or confirmation for liquidity sweeps.
Oh,
That
is
is,
it?
yeah, that is where risk management comes into the structure. Okay, now
Yeah.
liquidity sweeps happen in such a way that every one of our very intelligence, correct? Every one of us are really intelligent. So what we do, we will see that, for example, okay, we'll see that this is my order block, correct?
Yeah.
We will see this is my order block. So what I'll do, I'll to be very safer side, I will start placing my orders from here. Like I'll elaborate it 1 second. I'll start placing my orders. Like for example, I have a $10,000 equity, okay, and I
Okay.
want to risk about 2% of mine. 2%,
Mm.
which is $200.
Okay.
I'll place 0.02 orders here. I'll place 0.02 orders here. I'll place 0.02 orders here. I'll place 0.02 order here. I'll place another 0.02 order thinking it may touch and take the liquidity. But what market
Mm.
does? Market is much more intelligent than us.
Yeah.
Correct? It will fall
Yeah.
down to this level where you think like, from this point of 36 to 30, I placed order. Let me go with 29 or 28 is my SL. What will market do? It will fall back to 28 or a bit down. It will eat all your SLs and it will follow the direction. This is not just liquidity sweep, it is SL hunt also. Once it eats or gets the SL money, that's when it starts distributing. Until and unless it doesn't have enough fund for distribution, it will keep moving the same direction. Market is
Yeah.
always consolidate, what do you say, impulse and correction, correct?
Correct.
Impulse and correction. So whenever it does impulse, it will collect all the money which is needed for the correction move.
Okay, so I understand that, but how do we trade? See, I was looking to the session liquidities like Asia, London, because
Good.
most of the times I've seen New York sweeping off all the liquidities of these sessions, the
Okay.
previous sessions.
Okay.
So, any idea like how we can take a trade or like any strategy like you can tell?
Strategies you have to build. I will give you, or any of the mentors will only give you concepts. Concepts,
Mhm.
its practice builds a strategy. Whatever that I'm teaching right now is all my strategies that I've learned in these years. In my 9 years of experience, this is what I have learned. Building up strategies for myself to be on a safer side. from this concepts. Okay.
Mhm.
Now you say that, how do I understand the liquidity sweeps and all? Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
I will give you a normal example which can give you a better understanding.
Can you try that on a session like Asia London, anything like that? Just asking if possible.
Yeah, I'm showing it to you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the USD JPY FPG is finally grabbed. What's your comments on it?
Sir, I cannot do 3-2 at one go.
Okay, I'm sorry. Just answer his question, then mine. Okay.
Yeah, I'll check it. I'll check it. I'll check it.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. No, this one. How to get liquidity grabbing, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you understand by this trend line that I've drawn right now?
Yeah. It's been taken as a support.
No. The first liquidity grab,
Okay. Sweeps. Yeah. Yeah.
grabbed, and it took a
Yeah.
support on the support level, and exactly support level it took. It did
Yeah.
not even move 1 inch of it, took exact support, but next time it grabbed the liquidity.
Below the support.
It grabbed the liquidity.
Mm.
The first before liquidity, or first before movement, or liquidity pulled up is at 3618. Okay, and later
Mm.
that came to 3612. What
Okay.
$6
Yeah.
below it came, because $6 people will again look at this particular level,
Mm.
but it came $6 low, and this trend line gives you that exact figure. Now you can ask me, like, how do I draw this trend line?
Yeah.
Now you should ask me, like, how did you draw this trend line?
Yeah. Yeah. Tell
Okay.
me.
Um, okay. Okay. First liquidity sweep, where our candle close and candle open should be at the same level, which should align with the next candle close and candle open. Similarly, it should have at least 2 or 3 levels where candle closing and candle opening should align. That extended line will give you a proper movement of the trend line, or liquidity sweep trend line, or a possible pullback level. You can also ask me how. Market tried pushing down, but the trend line, or the liquidity did not allow it. Tried pulling it up. So there is no closing below this level. No closing below this level, which means there is still liquidity pending down. If it breaks, then we should assume that there is no liquidity pending here.
Can
If
you
it
repeat it?
Okay, trend line, it tried pushing down, but because there was liquidity, or during this push, there were buyers who entered and pulled the market up. Okay, institutions will only place 50% orders at a particular level, and they limit their 50% orders in the form of liquidity grab. Okay, so 50% pulled the market up. There is another 50% which is pending. Second time when the market pulled back, it came for these orders, and it pulled and took the market to its regular level. Same way, there might be another liquidity which is lying here. One bank did this. There can be 100 banks, and another bank might have kept it here, so that these people's SL may hit. If they don't book their profits, their SLs will also be placed here. Institutional traders. Similarly, The trend line gave a confirmation of pulling up the orders at the same level and went up. Or in a live market scenario, I will also show you another trend line. See, there is no liquidity pending yet here. That's why the market is not pulling down or pushing it towards downside. These are the same levels which we drawn yesterday, correct?
Mm. Yeah.
Okay, the market is still playing in the same levels.
So next time, even if it touches the trend line, chances are that it will go up again. Take a sweep and go up again.
If the market falls down here, okay, and it breaks with a good candle, I said, right, there should be a closing. At least two candles closing below this. Two candles closing their body and wig below this. Okay, then this trend line is broken. If it doesn't,
Okay. That's how we confirm. You need a two candle.
correct, two candle break. If it
So,
doesn't happen,
so
the market will continue its trend upside.
Okay.
Sir,
So
does
if
VIX
it, if
count?
it's sorry.
Yeah, Sajesh.
sorry, please.
Yeah. So what I was saying is, so if it's a sweep, I think you can consider it as a liquidity run and it'll go up.
Yes,
If it's a two candle breaking below the trend line, then
it's a break.
it's not like
It's a break.
it's a break of the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even when it breaks, it comes for a retest at the same level and it will fall back.
And
Every trend there would be a retest. Every trend there would be a retest. If you do a back test as well on the practice, you can see every trend has a break. Every trend has a break.
Ignesh, sir, what about the 5 minute scan for this one? The trend line and everything. The same method, right?
Sorry?
Hello. For the trend line, that's the same method is coming in 5 minutes, right? For scalping. Only, or it's only for 1 hour, 4 hour.
Sir, I am only speaking about intraday. If you're asking about scalping, uh,
Hmm.
I'm not so professional, but I cannot say like, parallel trend lines or, trend line channels will work on scalping. Only consolidation works better on scalping.
Okay.
Okay.
So can you give me any before examples for the same candles for the trend line?
Scalping will do it next time, sir.
No, not scalping. I'm just asking for the intraday before experience in the market trend
Whatever that I'm
lines.
showing right now is intraday, 1 hour time frame. I'm showing intraday only. You see this candle which is broke, two candles. It came for a retracement retest and it's staying on the
Okay.
same.
So every time there's a break, there will be a retest of that level, eh?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So when is the chance for us to take the trade?
I don't know.
Like
I really don't know.
you are the right person to tell.
I don't know.
No, from your experience, what do you think? Like, what do you say?
I really don't know.
So you never trade breakouts or like sweeps, liquidity sweeps?
I do.
See,
I do.
you're selfish.
Yeah. Trading is a selfish business, boss.
Okay, because what happens is sometimes when I try, I wait for a liquidity sweep, but then the candle it breaks the trend and goes down.
Hmm.
It doesn't go up. So so that time I get confused, like how to
That
take
is
the
that is
trade.
that is a psychological balance that you should have. When you're taking an entry, you should be prepared for your loss. Like, the major problem that we have is we are not prepared for the loss. We are always prepared for our profits. We'll only think that, I'm going to make profit. We will never think that, I'm going to make loss as well.
I am making losses only. That's why I'm
Yes,
taking the trade.
see, practically, that is
But
what happens. If you're not prepared, that is what happens. Because unexpected happening itself is Forex. If you're prepared for loss, trust me, 99.99% you'll be in profit. If you're prepared only for profit, 50 to 60% you'll only end up losing.
yeah, I do understand. That was my initial psychology. But later on, I started taking trades, but still I was going into losses.
Then you
So
should join.
then
Then you should join me then.
Yeah, why not? I'm ready.
Get in touch with the team and they'll help you out.
Yeah, because I'm now focusing on one strategy, like not strategy,
One sec.
on equity sweep itself. Like
Yeah, yeah. I understand. I understand. Okay, user, someone. Why? What happened?
Hi Vignesh,
Hi, hi, hi.
how are you? How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm going good. I'm going good, Vignesh. One more thing. Earlier you draw one long position, no?
Down position?
Long position. In the
Correct.
beginning, yeah. Why did you remove it?
Because the
Like
market
within.
already went to my TP level.
Understood, understood. Can you show me how to draw that long position?
You have a, okay. Yes. One second. You see this option here?
I got the long position from that area, but I want to know how to draw one.
Okay,
Actually, I
one.
don't know how to draw. Yeah.
Select it, place it at the place that you want to apply,
Okay.
and then just tap. Just tap and it will be done. And then move your SL, move your TPs, and move it to the level where you want it to place. Simple.
Understood. How to identify where to draw the long position? I just.
I'll come for a live trading sooner. Like, for now, we are only doing market analysis. Live trading will come up.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do
Sure,
it.
sure,
Sooner we'll do it.
sure,
You
sure.
were
Thank you.
asking about USD JPY. Where are you?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay. Where did it happen? FVG sweep. Okay, it took, huh?
Yep.
Why did it take here? Ah. Hmm. It did not pull the liquidity yet. It didn't pull the
The
liquidity.
proper liquidity.
No, it didn't pull it.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, it didn't pull the liquidity yet. It has to
So
come.
today a
It
thing
has to
happened to me.
come
The
to
thing,
this level for
yes.
short, or it has to come to this level for short.
Oh, okay.
147, yeah, it has to come.
And what will be the confirmation?
Sir, if I really know it, why will I be teaching here, sir? I'll be doing trading on accounts and I'll be a crorepati.
Oh my God. You're already a one.
See, again, I'm telling you, guys, Forex is nothing but understanding the language of candles. The more you understand, the more you practice speaking on this language, everything it will teach by itself. The market itself will teach you. We see them as candles, but don't see them as candles. See them as alphabets. See them as alphabets and start pulling up your sentences, and it will tell you what is it going to make in the next. You may not understand 100 times, but the 101 time you will understand where are the levels, why are the levels. The market always works on one single trend. It doesn't change at all. Okay, even if it falls down, it will play around this level. Okay, if it breaks above, it will play this level. If it breaks this level again, it will play in this area. If you want to check, do your back test. Do your back test. I'm telling you, you do your back test, and in the next live when we join, come talk to me like, did it work or not? If it doesn't work, then call me. I'll tell you if you did a right thing and proved me wrong, or you did a mistake where I can correct you. Either ways, I'll be learning or you will be learning. Okay? Anyone has any more questions, or can I end it? We're good?
Yeah, Vignesh. Thanks.